Welcome back. You're still tuned into Business Lunch, and let's now talk about some individual stocks which are moving around in trade. Ambuja Cements is one which is holding up really well. This is on the back of news flow coming through that they're looking to raise some funds. Nigel is here with all of the details on this one. Nigel.
Well, that's right. Ambuja Cements board will be meeting on September 16th, and they're going to be considering fundraising via various instruments, be it equity or some convertible financial instruments as well. The street waits on details. What's the quantum they're looking to raise? If they're looking to do an issue, who are they looking to do it to? That's something that, the street will be waiting by for. And what's the purpose of this? Is it for growth? Is it organic? Or is it inorganic growth? Now, remember, they're already sitting on a good war chest in terms of cash. So they have in the standalone entity of close to around 4,000 crores odd. In the consolidated entity, they have more than $1 billion of cash. So they're going to be adding on to that cash balance, which tells you they have a plan going ahead. The street will be waiting by for what is that plan, though? Why is the street enthused, though, on ACC and Ambuja, and why the stock has seen a big run-up? Well, new promoter is showing some aggression, and the street believes that that cost difference between, say, ACC Ambuja and some of its peers like Shree and Ultratech will gradually get narrowed. Remember that currently the cost difference is close to 200 rupees on a per ton basis. At some point of time, there could be a potential merger between these two, which will enhance the synergy benefit. So that's something that the street is hoping with. But the remaining cement sector as well is participating, because there is hope there'll be some consolidation. If that's the case, maybe some of those smaller names could get picked up. At least that's what the street believes. And if there is consolidation in the sector, then pricing power as well as profitability follow. So that explains why ACC buzzing in trade. And in fact, you have the cement pack as well that was running behind it. Back to you.
Right. Thanks, Nigel, for all those details. Yes, Ambuja as well as ACC, both buzzing in trade. Both the Adani Group companies now after that mega acquisition. And Nigel spoke about the possibility of an acquisition because of the fundraise that they are planning. But also remember, overall Adani Group has a few companies on which they can really raise funds. And on a group level, debt equity management can also be done on a portfolio basis. So these are the companies which have a lot of equity and investor interest as well. And that's one of the reasons probably that the fundraising could be possible while the cement sentiment looks so high.